కొంచెం అయిపోతే నేను తీసుకుంటాను. తీసుకోవాలి.
क्रैक होने के बाद
सर
कॉन्टैक्ट होगा।
यस सर यस
सेम एज दैट वुडन स्टिक अलग से रहेगा।
वुडन स्टिक अलग रहेगा, वन फीट दूर में रहेगा ये स्पाइक।
कैसे बनाते हैं
ये हार्ड से बात
अदर पर्पस प्रॉपर बना Venkatapuram police station at 5 p.m. Due to security risk at Pamnuru forest area. On interrogation, they have revealed that they are working as militia member for CPI Maoist party since last few years, and they have participated in several unlawful and sabotage activities during this time. They are also involved in several cases in Venkatapuram police station limits under the UAP Act. They are assisting Naxals in activities by providing food and shelter, and also informing them about the movement of police party in the area. These members who have been apprehended by the police party have been trained by the Naxals on how to handle and plant landmines and spikes in order to kill police party. Thereafter, Naxals regularly provided them with explosive material and spikes, and accordingly they planted landmines in several areas near their villages in the deep forest area in Karugutalu in order to target police personnel and to deter movement in that area. These landmines planted by them possess security hazard for police party and also to civilians and the cattle which move in that area. Last year also we had a death of one civilian from Muknur Palam village, and also a death of one cattle. In spite of such a risk, police party regularly go for combing operation there, and due to active police movement in the area, totally we have successfully recovered 9 land mines, which include cooker, tiffin, bamboo and beer bottle mines, and spikes from 2 places. These are all exhibited on this table here. The list of the accused arrested, the main militia commander, second deputy militia commander is Muchakki Bhimaya, who is a resident of Pamnuru village. Along with this, Sodi Lakshmaya, Madkam alias Madvi Admaya, Madvi Budra, Madvi Iteya and Madvi Kosa. All of these are residents of Jalla village and Chalimela village. From them, the following contraband items were seized: Cordex wire 80 meters, detonators 50 in number, one man pack, one wooden bamboo for directional mine, 4 bows and 8 arrows, and electric wires, batteries and other items which are on display here. In all, these people are involved in total 18 cases registered within the district, ranging from